Enjoypowers Power Quality Module installation and startup process primarily include the following steps. Connect the power line, choose appropriate cables and switches, and check the AC power wiring, 3P3W or 3P4W, grid voltage, frequency, and three-phase sequence. These parameters can be set in the HMI. Choose suitable CTs, connect CT lines, accurately set CT turns ratio, P1 to P2 direction, and ensure the correct installation position of CT. These parameters can also be set in the HMI. Common issues for engineering companies include CT phase sequence errors or incorrect installation positions. Power on. Ensure correct connections of the power line and CT line for the power quality module. Close the switch to supply power to the module. At this point, the module's power on indicator light will be green, indicating the module is in standby mode. In this stage, you can set parameters such as power line and CT in the HMI, along with operational and communication parameters for the power quality module. Verify the accuracy of wiring and HMI settings by checking operational data on the grid side and load side. Note that after setting these parameters, it's essential to save them to ensure they remain effective after a power cycle. Startup. On the HMI's control page, click the Start button, wait for 30 seconds, and the module will begin operating. Now you can view operational data and compensation effects on the home page. For more detailed information and price lists regarding Enjoypowers Power Quality products, please feel free to contact our sales representative. We look forward to providing you with professional service.